Hello and welcome to a new video.
I hope you enjoyed the welcome introduction of August, one of my avatars, because it is exactly about August that I am going to talk about in this video. August is a
Fallschirmjäger.
that is, a German paratrooper from the Second World War. He fought in Italy at Mount Cassino in 1944. I'm not going to talk about the battle at Mount Cassino, but rather about this Chinese macho doll. August is a special one. Not like this one who was a compatriot and nothing more than an arrogant and rich football coach. August is special because it was the first in my current collection of 1/6 scale figures. This figure was purchased at the end of 2016. It cost me €60 at the time. It was the one that reminded me of how much I liked Action Man and Gaper Man in the 70s and 80s. I had been aware of these more modern figures for years, but I didn't have any. This one appeared for sale online and from then on it became an addiction. I really like the realism of these modern figures and it reminds me of how much I liked playing with them when I was a kid. It's a 2004 edition. Head sculpt is very realistic. It's an
Obergefreiter.
that is, a Luftwaffe Lance Corporal. August is a special edition from the manufacturer Dragon in 2004, that was released on the anniversary of the Battle of Mount Cassino 1944, 60 years after. It is an excellent and rare figure. I have it complete except for the box and part of the rifle that is missing. Its main weapon is a Gur 43, or G43, Carabiner 43, is a 7.92 by 57 mm caliber semi-automatic rifle developed by Nazi Germany during World War II. The part in the top is missing, but I'll solve it one of these days. The uniform and equipment is very well detailed. These chops are from real zippers. One of them is falling apart and another one has come off, as you can see in the video. I'm not going to show how the zippers work because something could go wrong. The ones broken, I'll fix them as soon as possible. This is a
Fallschirmjäger.
gravity knife. Carried by German flying personnel, including paratroopers in World War II. Officially known as the Fliegerkapmesser, Flyer's Folding Knife, these were designed as a general-purpose survival/utility knife for pilots, aircrew and paratroopers. It is not supposed to be visible in the figure, but it is visible just for the style. The equipment is standard for a paratrooper. These ammo pouches are for G43 chargers. The others are standard for KAR-98 ammunition. He wears a typical paratrooper jumpsuit over his Luftwaffe uniform. At the back is the bread bag, lunchbox, canteen and the bayonet attached to the belt supported by special reduced Y suspenders suitable for German paratroopers in that era. The camouflage helmet cover is inside the bread bag. I prefer it without the helmet cover. As part of the original set, this is a 5 cm Leichter Granator for 36 light mortar. The figure has ammunition attached to his belt. As you can see, it is very detailed. Photos taken outside several years ago. These figures always look good outdoors. I also have an alternative weapon. It is an FG42. A machine gun with a sniper option specially created for German paratroopers of that era. I also have a DID brand parachute. It has never been used and as such is stored as purchased. When I acquire a jumping backpack for the figure, I can use it on display and of course I will show it to you. I reached the end of this video. I am always available to answer any questions you may have.